NASA discovers another Earth-like habitable planet. Is there another planet like ours out there? Are we ever going to be able to colonize other systems and expand in the universe? These questions have been at the center of astronomical research for a very long time. Hello there, future astronauts! Welcome to our channel. The amount of information on exoplanets outside of our solar system has overwhelmed many space enthusiasts. The recent finding of the latest extrasolar planets has raised the possibility of discovering a second Earth in the cosmos. In this video, we will explore such inhabited planets outside of our solar system. To get started, there are roughly 10 trillion planets orbiting their stars in this universe. However, not all of them can support life. To our understanding, Earth is currently the only planet in the cosmos that has thriving biological organisms. NASA has been conducting its search for a new planet similar to Earth for decades, and this curiosity to discover another Earth-like planet has already reached a new milestone. Well, what is a habitable planet? There are billions of planets that are orbiting sun-like stars, but this is not the only condition to have the existence of life on a planet. Sufficient liquid, rocky materials, tolerant temperature, supply of oxygen and carbon dioxide, the density of gases are some of the factors required on a planet for the existence of life. Among billions of planets, only few of them are close enough to fulfill the requirements of being habitable. By the end of this video, we will be familiar with such planets where humans could be residents in the upcoming future. TOI 700e. Recently, researchers from NASA have found a planet that is quite similar to our Earth. The planet, which is the fourth planet in the TOI 700 system, has been given the name TOI 700e. A tiny, cool M-dwarf star called TOI 700 can be found in the southern constellation Dorado at a distance of about 100 light-years. TOI 700b, C, D, and E are the four planets of this system, but the TOI 700e that has been found just a few days ago is the only habitable planet of this system. The newly discovered planet is 95% the size of Earth. It's possibly made of rock and stone fragments. It contains liquid in some places. According to NASA, the temperature of the planet TOI 700e is exactly perfect for living. Neither it's too hot nor too cold. It takes 28 days to orbit its star. Its atmosphere is hinting that the planet has the chance to be called the next Earth. The TOI 700d and E are both located at the ideal distance from a star. According to NASA, for a planet to have water on its surface, these two Earth-sized habitable zone planets are known as Goldilocks Zone. The planet TOI 700e was found by the team using NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite TESS observations, which were made with the intention of finding new planets and stars. TESS is a NASA astrophysics discovery spacecraft that is managed by NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. The spacecraft is led and organized by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. TESS carried out a 2-year mission that allowed scientists to examine solar systems and watch for periodic reductions in brightness caused by planets transiting nearby stars. The mission involved more than a dozen colleges, research centers, and observatories from around the world. According to Ben Hord, a graduate researcher at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland, the TOI 700e was too large or too close to the star for it to be clearly visible by the time the initial mission ended in 2020. Therefore, the mission was extended for additional years, and at this extended time, the new planet TOI 700e has been identified. So guys, with this discovery of TOI 700e planet, the dream of living on Earth 2.0 seems to have come true. Feeling adventurous? Don't forget to subscribe and let's explore the universe together. TRAPPIST-1e. Exoplanets orbiting our neighboring star TRAPPIST-1 are more likely to host life than previously believed. It is the most studied planetary system outside of our own. TRAPPIST-1 is a red M-type dwarf star located 40.7 light-years away from our solar system. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope discovered that the TRAPPIST-1 system is able to shelter lives in 2017. According to NASA, it contains the greatest number of Earth-sized planets yet detected in a single star's habitable zone. The TRAPPIST-1 star has 7 planets orbiting around it. Each of them may have liquid water on its surface, which is really fascinating in the quest to find life elsewhere in the universe. Among the 7 planets, TRAPPIST-1 B, C, and D are too close to their star, whereas H is too far away. However, the TRAPPIST-1 system's planet E is probably located in the Goldilocks zone. Its proximity to its star and the presence of liquid is ideal for it to obtain the energy needed for life to exist on any planet. The mass of TRAPPIST-1e is 69.2% of the Earth, and it takes 6.1 days to orbit its star. Its density resembles that of Earth. The planet is one of the most likely planets to have retained its water, and the one most likely to have it in liquid form for many distinct climate states. To investigate various climate conditions of this planet, the TRAPPIST-1 Habitable Atmosphere Intercomparison (THAI) Climate Model Project has been launched. Additionally, the 6th planet, TRAPPIST-1G, is also situated in the habitable zone, which is an area where liquid water is most likely to exist. It is slightly bigger and more massive than Earth and has an orbital period of just over 12 days. But the presence of life is more possible in TRAPPIST-1e by recent surveys. Captain B. The Captain B is another planet that could win the title of being the second Earth. It is one of the super-Earths discovered by scientists. It revolves around the Captain star, an M-type red subdwarf. The star is 12.79 light-years away from our Earth. Captain B has a sibling planet, Kaplan C, but the atmosphere of Kaplan B is more suitable for living. Kaplan B has 5 times more mass than the Earth, which makes it a super-Earth. It takes 48 days to orbit its star, but as it is situated at the habitable zone, the liquid on its surface stays stable. The temperature of Captain B is also neither too cold nor too warm, making it another good candidate in the race of being Earth 2. NASA is working very hard to make our dream of living on another planet a reality. Over the course of this endeavor, NASA has explored more than 5,000 exoplanets. We have looked at the most promising ones that could potentially support life and have a large chance of being another planet like ours. The day is not far when we will be establishing homes on another planet and living there. The time when we'll be residing on a second Earth is finally approaching. If you enjoyed the video, do let us know in the comment box and give it a thumbs up. Please click the bell icon if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Hoping to see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and adios.